Toyota has announced that it will invest $3.6 billion into its San Antonio, Texas, campus. The automaker will add a second production line at the facility, shifting Tacoma production from Mexico to the United States. The investment will result in Toyota doubling the facility's size to 5 million square feet while creating 2,000 new jobs, bringing the workforce there to around 6,000. Toyota will move Tacoma production to Texas over 4 years, with some production remaining in Mexico. Toyota North American President and CEO Ted Ogawa said, "By expanding our San Antonio plant, we are deepening our commitment to American manufacturing, creating meaningful and sustainable jobs, while advancing our mission to deliver high-quality vehicles that meet the changing needs of customers today and into the future." With the investment, Toyota will build the Tacoma alongside the Tundra and Sequoia in the United States. All three vehicles share Toyota's TNGA-F platform. Toyota also builds the rear axles at the facility. It's been less than a year since Toyota announced it will invest $10 billion into its facilities in the United States over the next 5 years. Last year, U.S. President Donald Trump imposed new tariffs on imported automobiles, including a 25% fee on vehicles from Mexico. This has affected numerous automakers, including Toyota, as the president encourages companies to produce products in the United States. Since then, Toyota has announced significant investments in its U.S. operations. In November 2025, the automaker said it would invest $453 million in its West Virginia factory and $204.4 million at its Kentucky facility for hybrid vehicles and other components. Toyota has also invested in its Arizona proving grounds. Trump also signed a trade agreement with Japan that opens the country to U.S. exported vehicles. Toyota is shipping the Tundra and Highlander to the island nation, and the automaker is warning potential buyers that these American-made vehicles aren't up to Japanese standards. The fourth-generation Toyota Tacoma launched for the 2024 model year. Sales for the midsize pickup were up 3.4% for June, with Toyota selling 23,158 trucks. It's America's best-selling midsize truck. So far this year, Toyota has sold 143,848 Tacoma trucks, up 9.9% from 2025. The Japanese automaker is on track to sell over 280,000 units, which would make 2026 the model's best sales year ever, surpassing 2025's record of 274,638. Toyota offers the 2026 Tacoma in 2 cab configurations with 2 bed sizes. The cheapest truck is the Tacoma SR Extra Cab, which comes with the 6.0-foot bed. It starts at $34,190, including the $1,745 destination charge. The Tacoma range tops out at $66,395 with the Tacoma TRD Pro.